This is how to get the liquid glass look on your phone. Sometimes when we update or make changes, we revert back to the old icon style like this, but maybe you want the liquid glass. To get that, tap and hold on any open area to the apps jiggle, or tap and hold on any app, and then choose Edit Home Screen. That'll make the apps jiggle as well. Tap on Edit up here, tap on Customize, and then choose Clear. And under Clear, make sure you choose Light and not Dark. All right. Come out of here, and your apps might look like this. Where they're not yet liquid glass, they have like a darker background, kind of like dark mode, but it's not really dark mode. To fix this, go into Settings, scroll down to Accessibility, tap on Display and Text Size, and make sure Reduce Transparency and Increase Contrast are both off. And then come back out here, and now we have the much more glass-like clear look where you can see the background through. Like this one down here, you can see the purple pinky color from the background shine through. Up here the green comes through. And let me just show you what happens if we did not make this light mode. Go to Customize again, choose Clear, and if it was set to dark, you'll see it's like dark mode. It's not glass anymore, it's not see-through, which is not what we want, at least not what I'm going for. So light mode is the one you want if you want it to be the see-through glass for the new iOS 26. I hope this video helps you. If it does, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out the video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash on your iPhone. You probably didn't know you had to do this on a regular basis, but you got to do it. So check out this video because I'll show you how.